Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wednesday Tarot, and this is your January love and work forecast for Leos. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Leo, this reading is for you. If you know a Leo, you can cross watch it for them, friends. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Wednesday Tarot. Join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website, friends, and this is a general reading, may or may not resonate. Also, friends, you can buy your own personal 2022 readings. Please make sure to buy yours, friends, because this is going to be a very interesting year. Something that we have never imagined, something we have never unexpected, full of good things and shocking things. So make sure to book yours, friends, and yes, you can book from the website if you want to watch the pick a card readings, horoscope readings. The links are in the timestamps, friends. So let's see, Leo, what's happening this month. Let's see the theme of the month for Leos. Theme of January for Leos. Oh, Judgment. Wow. Transformation. Oh my god, the lovers. Big changes, Leos. Big changes. Oh my god. Six of Pentacles. Big changes are coming for you. Big changes. Leos. This is a month of changes for you, and Leos, this is like big changes are coming for you, big transformations are coming for you. This is like some of you could actually be changing your life purposes, where you work, where you the way you are living your life. Some of you could be like answering the call of your destiny, like I feel this is a very powerful month, and some of you are going to have a profound spiritual awakening, Leos, this month, or you could be changing your life purpose. Like some of you were doing jobs, you could go into businesses, you were doing businesses, you could actually stop that and go into farming or something like that. And I also feel this is like the phoenix rising, Leo. So you are coming out of this, uh, you know it is the phoenix rising energy. I see, Leos, in you. Like the you had been through a lot in the past few years, but this is the month or the year where you rise out of the ashes and you build yourself something amazing and something new. And yes, the lovers, big choices are coming for you this month, friends. Yes, Leos, you will have a lot of choices, you will have a lot of options in your life. I also feel that this is the month where you have the option to do the things in the same way you have been doing, or do the things the way your heart is telling you. So there is a choice, Leo. You can follow your heart, or do things the way they have always been doing. But I feel you will follow your heart and you will follow the call of destiny. This is a very profound spiritual month for you. Six of Pentacles, yes, karma. This is a month of karma. This is a month of you completing a karmic cycle and moving into a new cycle. You gaining rewards of your past hard work. You also shifting, relocating, changing, money coming back, and hard work paying off, with patience paying off. I will take a clarifier for the transformation card, the hermit. My god, this is a big month for you, Leos. Fire signs, get ready. This is a big month for you. January is like the biggest month. We are just starting into the year and this seems like a big month. Oh my god, I feel like crying actually. This is gonna be a fantastic year, friends, I'm telling you. These are the January readings. They are not supposed to be so intense, right? But look at them. Look at the energy. It's high. All right. So big things are coming your way, Leos, and you are rising out of the ashes. You are changing your life. Some of you are going to change your life purposes. You are going to follow your destiny. You are also going to change. Some of you may actually leave a marriage and move into some other relationship. Some of you were single, you may actually get into a partnership, or suddenly you may get married this month or in this year. I also feel you should check out your yearly readings, Leo. I have also done the yearly horoscope readings with charms. That is super important for you. Make sure to check it out. I have also done them in Hindi Urdu versions. Please check them out on my other channel, Magic Wednesday Tarot Hindi Urdu. And I have also done the horoscope readings in three versions actually: love and work, love and romance, as well as general horoscope readings and the Hindi Urdu version. So you can check them out. I think you need it, it's very important for you. Let's see your love life, Leos, the Hermit, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important. Leos, their love life. Okay. Oh my god, your cards are flying. See how intense your energy is, Leos. Wow, that's nice. So, I do feel at the start of the month of January, Leos, your focus is not much on love. Your focus is much more on life itself, what is coming in this year. You feel very mature, you feel very stable, and you could be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. I do feel that this is the week where somebody could be taking some time away from you, or someone who was in no contact will be trying to message you. Six of Cups, people from your past are on your mind, or they could be returning back into your life. Another thing I'm having for first week of January is there is somebody who wants to win you. They will be sharing their love and affection for you. They will be very romantic. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. They are telling you how much they love you. They are very affectionate. Nine of Cups. Yes, I see a celebration. I see love coming your way, lots of meetings, happy moments coming your way with not just a lover but with family also. Some of you could be celebrating your father's birthday in the first week of January, so that is there, or your partner's birthdays in the first week of January, or something romantic will happen. So you're enjoying and having fun there. Let's see the second week, Leos. Wow, the second week is very intense, friends, and anything can happen in this week. It can be the make or break time, or anything can happen in this week because you have the Magician as well as the Star. So, this is like make or break. You can make your relationships the most beautiful ones, or they may also go through trouble at this point of time, because anything can really happen in the second week of January. I do feel you will have a very intuitive connection with somebody, a strong telepathic connection. There is a strong love. Some of you could be manifesting a lover or a marriage with this person. I also feel if you are Leos, your person may also try to cast some spells on you to attract you, or you may try to do those things, magic on your person, like good magic, not bad magic. Never do bad magic, friends, because there is no such thing as bad magic, because the good you do, the returns, the good you do comes back, the bad you do comes back. So remember that. So I see someone is trying to pray for you to get you back. The Queen of Cups, yes, this is a very emotional week for you, friends. This is a very emotional week, and your emotions will be high. Also, some of you could be spending time trying to manifest a lover, or getting very physical, intimate, emotional with a lover. So, intense week, second week. Let's see the third week. Oh, wow. In the third week, there may be certain problems happening in your love life. Somebody who ghosted you is coming back. Also, your person may start to behave shadowy. Like, they may promise you, but they may not really be there to make up their promises. Also, you and your partner may not agree on things. There will be a lot of difference of opinion. Three of Swords, yes, third parties may affect your love life, Leos, in the third week of January. Difference of opinions. Your person may also be spending more time on their work and career, or they may suddenly ghost you or something, and you will be very upset about that. But the Wheel of Fortune, remember, this is the time when destiny will strike its time, its chord, and things will start to change. So third week is the time when destiny comes, and things start to change in your love life big time, Leo. So get ready. And all right, so in the final week of January, balance will start to again return back into your love life. Communications will open up between you and your partner. Five of Pentacles. Yes, I do feel your partner may be having financial difficulties, because of which they are unable to talk with you, or they will share what fears they have in mind. So they will communicate with you. Ten of Swords. Yes, I do feel you or your partner may, your love life is affected due to problems with family. Either your family is having certain financial issues, or your partner's family is having certain financial issues. The Knight of Pentacles. Yes, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important. The Three of Pentacles. Yes, I do feel this is a very supportive week for you, and there is a lot of help available and support available for you, Leo. So well done. Let's see some advice, because I feel you really need the advice now. It's a big month for your love life. Wow, the Tower. So yeah, I do feel some of you may actually leave a marriage. If you were in a court case or something, that will be resolved, or something shocking, something sudden may happen this month for you. But remember, moving on. Yes, some of you may actually decide to move on from some relationship, or you may decide to leave your home, your family. Like if you were staying with parents, you may decide to move out. Recognition. But whatever you choose to do, rewards are coming. Recognition. People will recognize your value, your love, your support, and they are going to take care of you. So remember, everything is, the changes that happen now will only bring you success ahead. So let's see your work and career for Leos. Okay. Wow, so spiritual union, you have a lot of support, just like Aries. You have a lot of support, Leos, in your work and career. I also feel that some of you could actually be getting, if you are in businesses, you could be getting a new business idea or a business partnership. Some of you could be getting a new project, a new boss, which you will get along well. New support, new people are coming your way. Nine of Pentacles, material harvest. Yes, your financial needs and material needs will be taken care of. So you are very well taken care of financially. Also, this is a month where you will want to start something new, do something new, do something passionate, do something bold. If you are a student, you want to try something risky, and or like, you want to take some risk, like you want to learn something very difficult, or you want to start your own first job, you want to start your entrepreneurship, your business or something like that. I also feel some of you may start becoming shareholder, like, I don't know what you call those shares, being do starting shareholders, or involving, getting involved in investment shares and all those things. That I see will happen for you, Leos. Third eye chakra, you must listen to your intuition, Leos, because your intuition is very sharp this month. Also, sometimes when it comes to money, any decisions you take will be better if you use your intuition. So you may have a idea, you may have an urge to spend a lot in this month, Leo. So try not to do that. Listen to your intuition. Also, you may want to work a lot this month, so try not to do that. Try to rest also, Leo. So it's a great month for you work wise. Let's see some advice for Leos. Cancel, clear, delete, and surrender. Oh my god, holy love. So yeah, I do feel whatever you need is coming towards you, and keep yourself positive. Any negativity will also attract a lot of things to you. So be careful, Leos. Try to stay positive, okay? And surrender. Yeah, I do feel there are certain things which will you will have to surrender, certain situations in your life which are not working out for you anymore, and you need to surrender any past pain or some loans and all. You need to surrender them, because something better is coming your way, holy love. You have a lot of divine support, Leos, a lot of divine angels, universe is guiding you. So keep that in mind, and take that love and support open-heartedly. I also feel some of you may leave a relationship, but you will also find something better in its place. Maybe a friendship, a work union, or something better. Oops. All right, let's see. Broken wishes, something is not, something better. You may not get some wish completed, but something better is on its way. A man is important. Period of frustration, lessons to be learned. Yes, this is your month to learn the lessons, following your destiny, answering the call. Angel, yes, angels, universe is supporting you. You're very lucky. You have a lot of good luck. Harp, great happiness. There's a lot of happiness. Music is also important. Some of you may start learning music, or you may start making music, creativity, your passion as your career. And that may surprise a lot of people. Camel, perseverance, and you will overcome the problems. Yes. Dagger, fears, worries. Yeah, you may face some tensions or worries this month, friends, but remember, you are going to get the victory. Friendships, yes, you should accept valid criticism. I feel friendships are coming your way. Opportunity or money is coming your way. Firecracker, excitement, yes, you're gonna feel very excited, friends. Yes. Psychic ability, trust your intuition. Yeah, I do feel someone is keeping an eye on you on through social media, some ex or somebody. I also feel that you have a strong intuition, so use that, friends. Bouquet, compliment from an admirer. So yes, you know compliments are coming, secret admirers are coming. Dog, protection from a powerful friend. Yes, support is coming. And broom, new house, new attitude. So yes, some of you could be changing, shifting, relocating, and going back to your roots. And temporary problems, whatever is happening is temporary, so remember that. And something big is coming. Subscribe, that's it for now. Leo, subscribe, like, and share. Join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. And this is Mystic C saying bye bye.